a graduate in Bharatanatyam from Kalakshetra Foundation, and she also had served in Kalakshetra Foundation for 13 years as HOD for Dance Documentation under Research Department. The research and documentation that was done during that period is serving the students to the art till today. Srimati Sarita Kalyan is a performer, choreographer, natvangist, and a trainer. She has traveled widely for performances and lecture demonstrations, covering almost every state in India and major festivals organized by Ministry of Dance and Tourism. She also travels to abroad to so many countries frequently for performances, workshops and lecture demonstrations. Her experience in field of serving goes beyond 2 decades. Her institution, Antariksha Arts, runs in Chennai and Sulurpeta. In Antariksha, children are trained for classical Bharatanatyam, semi-classical including theory of dance. Children who are capable are chosen and encouraged to take course in Bharatanatyam. From the past 8 years, children have come passing out successfully with good results. Today, you will witness variety of performances that reflects passion, creativity, and dedication. Each step, each gesture, each beat has been carefully practiced to bring you an unforgettable experience. So, our program starts with the first item, Allaripu. The word itself means the act of blossoming, and it is a nritta composition. It is danced in Vilambam, which is slow tempo, Madhyamam, which is medium tempo, and it ends with Duritta Kalam, which is fast tempo. It is set to rhythmic syllables and can be set to any tala. The participants are Fani, Pratiksha, and Jashwita.
तदैतां धिदाते तदैतां धिदाते तदैतां धिदाते तदैतां धिदाते तदैता तजं तरिदा जं तरि जक तरिते तदिगिनतुं तकतदिगिनतुं तकदिको तदिगिनतुं तां दिर्गुर्तक 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 दळंगुतक तदिगिनतुं त तै तैयुं त तां